WOLFBOX sent me this super powered turbo fan. Now, why do you need a turbo fan? I'm telling you, around the office, around a desk, it's fantastic to just blow those dust bunnies away if you have any. Clear out that keyboard, clear out the back of that PC if you have one, or behind a TV. I mean, it's fantastic. And then you just have to vacuum the floor. This will blow it out all out. The really nice thing too is in the car, I use it for those hard to reach spaces. Really nice to just like blow it out and then clean it off. First time I see something that's as pretty. Obviously, you've got these little adapters here. This one here comes with it right off the bat, but they do have different ones. Super easy to just install. And look at that. Now I've got kind of my crevice tool. I can go right deep. I've got the next one right here. Let's just check it out. Oh, look at that, huh? Even a better, longer crevice tool with this. And the nice thing, this is my first time ever seeing this, is you've got a button right here. And I'm going to get a little closer so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. You got a little button right here, and it releases the battery. The battery is rechargeable, yes, via USB-C, but completely is removable from the actual unit. You've got the USB-C right here, and they do offer extra batteries. So if you're looking to get more than one battery, obviously the unit itself comes with one, but you can get more because they are interchangeable, which is great. I think it's fantastic. Once you're good to go, you just put it in, load it up, and you're all ready to go. You press that power button, super simple to use. I'm going to hold it. Once I'm at the 3 lines, and I'm hoping you guys can see this. Yeah, you guys can see them. 3 blue lines means that I'm at the highest capacity, right? Highest intensity. That highest intensity with the trigger button, as you can see, it lets go if I let it go. So I can blow really, I mean, it's a lot. It's let me show you how. I mean, yeah. It's hard. It blows really hard, and yeah, it doesn't disappoint at all. Now that's the highest. That's the highest intensity, as you can see. But if I press down 2 or even 1, now it stays on, meaning it stays on at the lower intensities. The higher intensities will go and go and go. Now I go to the lowest intensity, and you're good to go. So you've got 3 intensities. 1 that is kind of a pulsing one, and then 2 and 1 that are lower intensity that just keep on blowing. I think this thing is really cool. It looks great on a desk, in a car, maybe in a glove compartment. It does come with a little pouch as well, and a couple of brushes if you need to. I've personally never had to use brushes because this thing is so darn powerful. I mean, it's loud, yes, but it does the job every single time. This thing is great.